Coastal environments are corrosive environments. That's why structures on the waterfront, like docks, wharfs, and piers, need to be built to withstand the most extreme conditions. Introducing the Strong Drive SDWS Timber SS Structural Screw from Simpson Strong-Tie. A faster, stronger fastening solution made with Type 316 stainless steel for premium corrosion resistance. The SDWS stainless steel screw's patented sawtooth point means fast starts and less driving torque. A large, heavy-duty shank offers high strength and durability. Its deep 6-lobe T50 recess ensures positive engagement for a secure drive. And the flathead easily countersinks for a flush surface. Unlike hex or lag bolts, the SDWS stainless steel screw requires no pre-drilling or counterboring with auger bits and no lumber retreatment, saving time and labor costs. And unlike spikes, no pneumatic drivers are required. Its low-profile head provides a better load-bearing area and prevents hazardous pop-ups. The Strong Drive SDWS Timber SS Structural Screw. Superior corrosion resistance built to match Mother Nature's worst. Learn more at strongtie.com/SDWS Timber SS.